Right, so what we're planning to do today is dig out a shed base. So we're going to dig a rectangular hole about 4 or so inches deep, and we're going to prepare that for pouring some concrete later on and putting a shed stroke workshop on it. It's clay soil around here, which is actually either extremely wet and very heavy, or it's baked solid, so it's actually quite hard work to dig. So what we've done is we've actually used something called the stone barrier, which is a Siromer tool for the back of the tractor, which is like a big rotavator, and we've rotavated this down to about 4 inches, and that will mean that it's basically much easier for the Siromer with the front bucket on to be able to remove the earth. So Callum is positioned and ready with the front bucket on, so in just a moment or so we're going to start preparing the shed base.